Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to get your global API key in Cloudflare. First, log into your Cloudflare account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on your profile photo in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile to access your account settings. Under your profile settings, go to the API Tokens section. Here you'll find the option to view your global API key. Click View to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your Cloudflare account password again and complete a simple CAPTCHA for verification. Once verified, your global API key will be displayed. Make sure to copy it securely and store it in a safe location, such as a password manager, as this key provides full access to your Cloudflare account's API features. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your global API key in Cloudflare. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.